Number 9. Brad? We will have a place for you up here at one of the tables next time around.
Number 9, we're asking the grievance day be moved to the first Tuesday in June so that I can be present at Salina's and Cicero's grievance day personally.
Motion to approve.
Oh, wait, we said,
Oops, sorry.
we're going to do it by local law, if that's all right. So if we could set a public hearing date, perhaps for the first meeting in April, which is 13th. Thank you.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Mr. Conway?
Yes.
Ms. Tarwacki?
Yes.
Mr. Ryba?
Yes.
Mr. Coro?
Yes.
Mr. Dzinski?
Yes. Number 10. Brad? Should have just stayed up there.
Number 10 is I'm asking the board to authorize us to send out the request for proposal on the reassessment project. The state has been instrumental in putting this together with me, and we completed it, got it to the board for review, and the next step is to issue it to any contractors we think would be interested in bidding on that.
Brad, are the dates in it, have they changed at all since they were originally put together?
Pardon me?
Have the dates changed for issuance?
No, not since
Okay.
the final
Okay.
draft. No.
Thank you.
Any questions for Brad?
Have you had, I mean, there's been a lot of publicity about this. It has there been any initial feelers
From contractors?
from contractors?
Yes. I do have 3 that have contacted me a number of times. As early as today, I even had one. So they are waiting. There's at least 3 people interested in it.
Look, okay.
Any other comments, questions?
No, I think it's important just to note in the requests themselves, it specifically outlines what the organization, to even make an application to put your business in to get this proposal. There's certain requirements with staffing and experience and doing similar type projects. So
Absolutely.
It's not just your somebody that hasn't had any experience or doing this type of thing can even submit a proposal. So I think it's very well drafted and laid out, and we'll get good qualified people to do it.
Just as a point of information, have the people who've contacted you, are they local or are they from farther parts of the state? Because I know Teresa had said that there weren't really local people who had staffing maybe to do a town this size.
There are 2 local contractors that have spoken with me and 1 out of town.
Okay.
Do you
We'll
feel
see
that
how it
this
comes
will
out.
grow after this is presented?
I hope so. We're going to research and see if we can find as many as possible.
And even after the bids come in, it sounds like there's going to be various opportunities for further investigation and interviews and those type of things.
Oh, yes.
It's
Yeah.
a whole big process. So.
Any other comments? No. Anyone like to make a motion?
Motion as presented.
Second.
Mr. Conway?
Yes.
Ms. Tarwacki?
Yes.
Mr. Ryba?
Yes.
Mr. Coro?
Yes.
Mr. Dzinski?
Yes. Thanks, Brad. Number 11, G.
Yes, in light of Brad becoming our assessor, we need to create a new position for Linda Yancey to work with us. So I need 2 things from the board. I need to create for civil service purposes a real property appraiser position to get that on our roster. And the second thing I need is that we approve Linda Yancey for this position in a temporary capacity at $35 an hour, so that she can continue to work with Brad to get him up to speed.
Motion to approve is presented.
Is there not to exceed a number of hours with
Like
a lot of the civil service positions do have a limitation number.
A part-time position is 1,040 hours for the year.
Okay. All right. So that is
Yes,
part of
absolutely.
it when
Yes.
we
Yes, it
create
is.
a
Yep,
new
we'll monitor
position.
her hours and make sure
Okay.
she doesn't go over like any other position.
Okay.
second Chad's motion.
Mr. Conway?
Yes.
Ms. Terriaki?
Yes.
Mr. Ryback?
Yes.
Mr. Coro?
Yes.
Mr. Kaczynski?
Yes, anything else, Chief? Thanks, Chief.